Hi, I am Connie Mestis, owner of the Piano University. In this video, we will uncover the top 3 reasons students quit music lessons and reveal the remedy. Did you know that 50% of students quit music lessons in the first 2 years? Why? 3 reasons. They find it boring, difficult, or lonely. So, what's the secret to success? If you want to enhance your music skills, mastering music theory is the success formula to get you there fast. Stay tuned until the end of the video, where I will show you how to get a free digital game to try your hand at some very basic music theory skills. I am now offering Ultimate Music Theory Club classes that will solve all 3 of the common problems for music students. 1. Boredom. Learning music theory does not have to be boring. One mother told me her 11-year-old son said it was the best class ever. It was so much fun after attending our theory class. We keep the fun activities rolling so students are challenged, but they enjoy every step of the process. Engaged students learn faster and easier, saving you time and money in the long run. The second thing is difficulty. Students are not learning if they're not challenged, but this can be overwhelming and make students think it's too hard. I had a young student who was learning music theory and started piano lessons. She soared through her piano books. She passed off an entire book like every 2 weeks. Her confidence in music skyrocketed, and now she plays both the piano and the violin, and even teaches her younger sisters. The Ultimate Music Theory Club classes make learning any instrument so much easier. Imagine the money you can save if your student can shave years off of lessons and still achieve mastery. Third is loneliness. Playing an instrument can feel lonely, especially during practice time. You're not with teammates or the orchestra, you're just practicing by yourself. Well, students in theory classes form bonds through learning and laughter. At a recital, one preteen boy fist bumped another on the way up to the stage and said, "Good luck, bro." Learning is much more fun and easy when done with friends. Do your kids love to sing or dance or listen to music or play an instrument? Starting the Ultimate Music Theory Club classes will save you hours of searching for techniques on how to read, analyze, write, play, and perform music with confidence. The reason music theory is the key to understanding music is because it's the foundation of how music works. Music is a language. Learning it is just like learning to read, write, and speak any other language. Students learn notes, like they learn the letters of the alphabet. Those notes come together to spell melodies and chords, like letters of the alphabet form words. Then words, just like musical melodies and chords, follow rules of grammar to make sentences and then paragraphs. Contact me to discover how you can join us and excel in your music education. I've got a free 2-page guide on the top 5 reasons musicians need to learn music theory. Download the guide and uncover these secrets. The link is in the description below. Also, if you want to join a community of musicians and parents, I have a Facebook group where I share up-to-date music tips to help you navigate this sometimes tricky journey. Join my Facebook group today. The link is in the description below. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Now, about that free digital game. The link is in the description, and when you click on that link, it takes you directly to the game. So play through the game and let me know how you do. I look forward to meeting you.